Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. The fisherman's knot. This knot is tied by forming an overhand knot in each rope line and passing the loop over the other rope. This knot is used to join two rope ends, making a small, neat knot. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.